Hi guys, Jeremiah Napier here with American Church and Family. I just wanted to take a minute here to let you all know what is going on in the Supreme Court and the severity of the decision that is coming up. Recently, California, who once had gay marriage passed, and it was a law, the second state to do so, had put on their ballot to ban gay marriage. It passed for the second time. It had passed through. The first time it got shot down by the California Supreme Court. The second time now, the California Supreme Court deemed it constitutional. So the voters voted the ban on gay marriage in California. The California Supreme Court said it is constitutional to do so for the voters. It has now went through the Court of Appeals and went all the way to the Supreme Court on the federal level, the highest court in the land. And now they are about to make a judgment on whether gay marriage and the ban of it is constitutional or should be legal. Now let me tell you why this decision is so important. If they deem it, the ban on gay marriage, unconstitutional, then that in turn will be a decision throughout the entire country. No state will then be able to ban gay marriage within their state. And why is that? Well, the Supreme Court said it's unconstitutional. This decision is to gay marriage what Roe v. Wade is to abortion. Now those who believe in God and those who believe in the Bible and believe in the word of the Bible will see clearly that marriage is given by God and is defined as a man and a woman. We are trying to redefine what God has defined. It's one thing to say, oh, domestic partnership, and it's another thing to say, well, these two have some kind of relationship going on, but to call it marriage and to say we will define it as this. In my last video I spoke about leaving God out of the situation and saying we're giving ourselves credit for this. And that is what man is doing. The legislators in California even went so far to say, if you were married before this ban got in place, we'll give you all the same benefits that a married couple has. You just cannot use the term marriage. But the gay rights activists said, no, that is not good enough. We want to use the term marriage. And that's where the real problem comes in. They are using this institution given by God, found in the scriptures, and they're redefining it and perverting it into something that it is not. It's a real shame, it's a real danger, and it's really going to affect the face of our country. We need to stay in diligent prayer. We need to follow closely on this, what's going on here. Unfortunately, President Obama came out and urged the Supreme Court to rule in favor that the ban on gay marriage was unconstitutional, and he wants to legalize it. This is the most powerful man in the world saying this, saying that we will step over our bounds and define what God defined. I'm not trying to define it as one man and one woman. God defined it as that. And that's very important to remember and realize. Stay involved. Stay educated on what's actually going on. I live here in Michigan, and recently a judge said, I will not make a decision on our ban of gay marriage until the Supreme Court has made their ruling. This is my state, my home state, and it's one decision away from being your home state and our entire country. It's close. It's very close. We need to be diligent, we need to be active, we need to be educated, and stay in prayer. Visit us at AmericanChurchandFamily.com. We're there on Facebook, Twitter, and we could use your prayers. Most of all, our country could use your prayers, and the Supreme Court as well in this pivotal moment in our country. Thank you.